Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of the topic in the time of silver rain. So in the last period we have recited the poem in the time of silver rain. Okay. Today we are going to do the question answers of this poem. Okay. The very first question is find the pairs of rhyming words used at the end of lines in the poem. You have to find out the pair of rhyming words. Okay. Rain, again, and plane. This is the pair of rhyming words. Rain, again, plane. Okay. Heads, spreads. Heads, spreads. So these are used in the end of the line. Head spreads, wing, sing, spring. Wing, sing, spring. And the last is cry, start. Cry, start. These are the pairs of rhyming words used in the end line. Okay. This is the first question's answer. Pair of rhyming words used at the end of the lines in the poem. Now, second question is read the poem aloud. Read the poem aloud using proper intonation. Read the poem aloud using proper intonation. See, I am reading the poem. You have to recite it. You have to recite it. Okay? I am reading. In time of silver rain, the earth could force new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads. And over all the plain, the wonder spreads of life, and life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing. Enjoy beneath the sky. As down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too in time of silver rain when spring and life are new. In time of silver rain when spring and life are new. So it is a beautiful poem written by Langston Hughes. He is an American poet. He is a social activist also, and he introduced jazz poetry in English literature. Okay, so this is the beautiful poem in time of silver rain. So like me, I have recited this poem. You have to recite with proper intonation. Next question. See, now try the following. What you have to do, write 1 or 2 sentences about something which is beautiful using your own experience or imagination. Then rearrange the words in the sentences in a poetic form. Shortly, you have to write poem. much, one or two stanza. You may write about a beautiful day. Okay, so today is very beautiful day. So you can write about a beautiful day. You can write about a beautiful night. Then you can write about a stream. You can write about field, graceful bird. You can write about a graceful bird or graceful animal. So you can take any topic and write one poem of only one or two stanzas. Okay, you have to try this. Now question number next. Next question is fill in the following blanks with reference in the poem. Fill the following with reference to the poem. So this is very easy. In time of rain, when spring and life are fill in the blank. New. First fill in the blank is new. Again I am reading. You have the poem. See. In the time of rain, when spring and life are new. Second. The butterflies lift silken wings. Butterflies lift silken. Second is silken. The butterflies lift silken wings. It is given in poem. Huh? The butterflies lift silken wings to catch a. What the butterflies is catch a rainbow. Rainbow. The butterflies are catching a rainbow. Cry and trees put forth new leaves. What trees put forth? New leaves. Again, new word. New leaves. Trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy. To sing in what? To sing in joy. To sing in joy. Beneath the sky, as passing boys and girls were passing. The boys and girls, they were passing. They were very happy. They were singing. So here, passing girls and boys. Number 6 is passing girls and boys. Number 7 is the passing girls and boys too go singing down the roadway. Go singing down the roadway. These are the filling the blanks. Now, next question is think and answer. Is the poet talking about heavy rains in the rainy season or rain that has come after a long time? Is the poet talking about heavy rains in the rainy season or rain that has come after a long time? So your answer is the poet is talking about rain that has come after a long time. Poet is talking about the rain that has come after a long time. Okay. So, Think and answer. Answer A. 6, think and answer. Answer A. The poet is talking about the poet is talking about the poet is talking about rain that has come. Rain that has come. That has come after a long time. After a long time. Okay. Now, sixth B is answer. Sixth B. Question is: are the boys and girls happy that it is raining? Yes. Because they were singing. They were singing while passing by the road. Passing by the roadway. They were singing. Yes, they were singing. Yes, they were singing passing by the road. Okay, this is the question answer. Of the question number 6. Now next question is: talk about your favorite season. 1 minute. It is 1 minute activity. You have to talk about your favorite season. For example, you can say like this: my favorite season is this and this. For my favorite season is winter. In winter, I like to take hot coffee, soup, okay, and I like to go for walk, okay, in the morning. So you can write whatever your favorite season. You can talk about your favorite season. This is the 1 minute activity, like 1 minute activity. You can talk about your favorite season. Now, last question is language study. The figure of speech alliteration. 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 When the same sound occurs at the beginning of two or more words in the same line when the same sound occurs in the beginning or two or more words in the same line, it is called as alliteration. For example, Naina needs new books. New books. And something here in the same line. Naina needs new book. This is the example of figure of speech alliteration. The same sound is repeated in more than two words. Two words or more than two words in the same line. It is called as alliteration. Now, what you have to do? Find an example of alliteration from the poem. You have to find out one example. Very easy. The line is given here. And collect other examples of alliteration from other poem or other text. Okay. So from the poem, you have to write one example of alliteration. Very easy. Green grasses grow. Green grasses grow. This is the example of alliteration from the poem. See, same sound is repeated in more than two words or more than two words of the same name. That is green grasses grow. The same sound is repeated here. Like Naina needs new books. Okay. From the poem, we have taken this example, green grasses grow. This is the example of alliteration. Okay. So write down. And you have to collect other examples of alliteration from the poem. Okay, this is the example of alliteration from the poem in the time of silver rain. Okay, in the time of silver rain. Write down all the question answers in your copy. Okay, recite the poem with proper intonation. Write rhyming words. Write about your favorite season. Now question answers regarding to the poem. This is the last question. That is the language study. Alliteration. Alliteration is one of the important figure of speech. Okay, it's a figure of speech. It is an important figure of speech, alliteration. So you have to write down all the examples. So this is the examples from the poem, and write down one or two examples from other text of alliteration. Okay. So we have done all the question answers of the poem in the time of silver rain. Okay. We are done this. Here you have to write down all the question answers in your copy. Okay, bye.